In this video, let's talk about how to fix the Security Bank login problem. So if you also come across this exact error message which says connection error or you simply not being able to log into your account, there are a few ways that you can try out to solve this problem. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that your internet connection is stable. If it is not, you can try switching to your cellular data or vice versa. Also make sure that the details, the username and the password that you're entering are correct so that you can successfully log in. Now even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues. This likely could be happening due to app bugs. So in this situation, what you simply need to do is reinstall the application of Security Bank onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now even after trying all of these steps, you're still having this issue. This may be happening due to a small typo. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a few hours before you can log into your account again. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.